Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your Kia Stinger. First, understand that launch control is designed for track use, not public roads. It helps your car achieve its quickest acceleration from a complete stop by precisely managing engine power and wheel traction. This system is a fantastic way to experience your Stinger's full potential in a controlled environment, ensuring a powerful and consistent takeoff every time you engage it. To activate launch control, begin by selecting either Sport or Custom Drive mode using the Drive mode selector. Next, ensure your vehicle is at a complete stop. With your left foot, firmly depress the brake pedal all the way to the floor. You should feel the car settle, indicating it's ready for the next step. This precise sequence is crucial for the system to recognize your intent and prepare for an optimal launch. While still holding the brake pedal down firmly with your left foot, use your right foot to fully depress the accelerator pedal. The engine RPMs will rise and then stabilize at an optimal launch RPM, typically around 2,000 to 2,500. Once the engine speed is stable, quickly release the brake pedal. The car will then launch with maximum acceleration, minimizing wheel spin for a powerful start. Remember, launch control puts significant stress on your vehicle's drivetrain, so use it sparingly to prolong component life. Always ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment, such as a closed track, and never use it on public roads. Be aware of your surroundings and any potential hazards. Following these guidelines will help you enjoy this exciting feature responsibly and keep your Kia Stinger performing at its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.